Hello friends, welcome to Finance MCQ. Friends, today we will discuss the vacancy released by Jute Corporation of India Limited. So let's start the video. Friends, Jute Corporation is a Government of India enterprise. So they have released the recruitment notification dated 10th September 2024 for various posts in non-executive cadre. So here if you see at serial number 1, there is a vacancy for accountant. It's S5 grade vacancy and pay scale will be in the range of 28,600 to 1,15,000. The upper age limit asked as on 1st September 2024 is 30 years. So do keep this in mind. It is a backdated cutoff date for age limit or experience. As on 1st September you should be 30 years or less, then only eligible. And here the minimum qualification and experience asked is as follow. You should be either a MCOM with advanced accountancy and auditing as a special subject with 5 years of experience in maintaining commercial accounts including reconciliation and final accounts, experience in handling cash and records, or you should be a BCom graduate with 7 years of experience in maintaining accounts, reconciliation, final account, experience in handling cash and records. Here desirable is that you should be a associate chartered accountant, SAS passed candidate, CA or associate cost and work accountant or CAD. Now number of vacancies, total number of vacancies are 23, out of which 10 are for unreserved category candidate and rest are all for reserved category candidate. Then there is a second vacancy for junior assistant. It's S3 grade vacancy and pay scale is in the range of 21,500 to 86,000. Age limit is same, that is 30 years. Qualification asked is graduate or equivalent from recognized university with experience in using computer, MS Word and Excel, and minimum typing speed of 40 words per minute in English, then you are eligible. No experience is asked for this post. Total number of vacancies are 25, out of which 11 are for unreserved category candidate, rest are all for reserved category candidate. Then there is a third vacancy for junior inspector, S3 grade vacancy. Pay scale is same as that of junior assistant. Age limit is also 30 years, and here the qualification asked is just pass in 12 or equivalent with 3 years experience in purchase, sales of raw jute, its grading and assorting, baling, storage and transportation, then eligible. So you can apply for accountant or junior assistant. If you are not meeting the experience criteria, then you can try for junior assistant. Now age limit, as I already mentioned, that the upper age limit is 30 years for general, EWS, OBC category candidate. Rest are all for reserve category candidate. Age limit relaxation, you can check them. Now selection criteria and process. So friends, for the post of accountant, there will be a computer based test followed by document verification for shortlisted candidate. There will not be any interview. So this will be the process. First stage will be computer based test, then you will have a document verification, then final merit list will be prepared. And the qualification parameters is also mentioned in your computer based test. You need to score 50% marks by general, OBC, EWS and ESM category candidate and 45% for SC, ST, PW, BD category candidate. And they have mentioned candidate will be called for document verification in the ratio of 1:5. So for one post, 5 candidate will be called for document verification. And in case tie in the marks of the candidate in computer based test, then all such candidate will be called for document verification irrespective of the ratio. Selection process for junior assistant is as follow. You will have a computer based test along with typing test, then you will have a document verification, and then final merit list will be prepared. So you need to have typing speed for this post, and qualifying parameter is same, that is 50% you require to score in general, OBC, EWS and ESM category candidate, and 45% minimum qualifying marks is required to be scored by SC, ST, PW, BD category candidate. And typing test is just qualifying in nature. The marks of this typing test will not be added to your computer based test. And typing performance is 40 words per minute. So you need to have a good practice of English typing, then only eligible. And again you will be called in the ratio of 1:5 for the document verification. Then for junior inspector, computer based test is the first stage, then document verification, then there will be a trade test, and then final merit list will be prepared. So it's a 4-stage process. Trade test will be there for junior inspector. We are not going into detail about junior inspector post. And other qualifying parameter is same as that of other 2 vacancies. Now how to apply? Friends, all eligible candidate can apply through online mode by visiting website of the company. Then other details are mentioned. You can check them in detail. I will provide the notification link in the description. Now they have also mentioned about computer based tests conditions. They have mentioned that computer based test will be held across major jute growing states, capital and cities of India, and you can opt for maximum 3 centers, and your computer based test will be of 120 minutes, that is 2 hours, and total marks allotted will be 100 marks, and it will be objective in nature, consisting of 100 number of questions with multiple choice questions. So objective questions will be there, and each question will have 1 marks, and there will not be any negative marking. So that's really good thing. You can attempt all the questions, and it will be in English and Hindi only. And additionally, for junior assistant, there will be typing test on the same date of computer based test. Then there are general terms and conditions, you can check them in detail. And cutoff date for age, qualification, Experia shall be as on 1st September 2024. So by this date you should be meeting your age requirement, qualification as well as experience. And in case you are facing any issue while filing online application, you can contact them on the mentioned mobile number, or you can write an email to them at the mentioned email address. Now the important dates. The cutoff date for calculating age and experience, as I already mentioned, is 1st September 2024. Online application are already started from 10th September 2024, and last date of submission of online application is 30th September 2024, and computer based examination date will be intimated by them on the later date on their website. So that's all friend. If you are meeting the eligibility and experience criteria, then you should give it a try. You will get a good exposure working in a PSU company, so do give it a try. So that's all in this video. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.